mulberries. I'm here in Thailand, in the southeastern part of Thailand, and I believe these are Thai Everbearing variety, Morus Alba Moraceae. I think that's what they are, though I'm not sure. And they are growing in really clayey soil, and they seem to really like it. They grow really fast, and they grow really tall. I continually have to prune them because if I don't, they interfere with the electric wires above me. And I mainly have them for fruit. Because it's so hot here in Thailand, I can get 2 crops per year because it never freezes. After they produce fruit and I want to get a new crop, what I do is I cut all the branches all the way back and we get a whole new crop of fruit. As you can see in the background of this previous footage, I pruned the branches all the way back. It's been only 12 days, and not only are we getting a lot of leaf growth, but we're getting berries already too. This plant is absolutely incredible. The mulberry is still a bit wet from a quick thunderstorm we had. I'm trying to give you an idea of what the fruit look like. As I mentioned, they need to get really black for them to be sweet. Here's some more. I'm going to pick a couple of them right now. Here's another view of some of the fruit. It's really hard to get pictures of the fruit because the leaves are so large. This year they were rather small. And they have to get totally black before they're sweet. If they have even a little bit of red on them, they're still kind of sour. And this year they seem to be a bit more sour. And I'm thinking these might be small because I didn't give the plant a lot of time to rest after I harvested all the berries before. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Excuse me while I go enjoy my mulberries on a bowl of muesli. Tick that like button and subscribe for more videos. Happy gardening. See you next time.